Hi, today I'm certificate S53 and I'll show you how to activate always on display option on this device. So first open the Play Store application because we should get the application from the Play Store. So enter in the search pool Muviz Edge app. And now we should get this first application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then installing on your device. So after that, just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps and find here Muviz such application. Click on the switcher and tap to go back. Switch edge lights to AOD and select one from these available tabs. Click to apply. Now let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.